Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It is spring in Calgary, and in this video let's see how to build a vegetable garden bed. I am building about 5 beds in total, so I'll show you the process involved in building all these beds.
This is the final constructed vegetable beds. We'll outline the steps including the soil preparation for the beds. Materials required for one bed is as shown. I bought these from Home Depot. Links are available in the description. I got the wood from the lumber section in the Home Depot. I'm making about 5 beds, 8 feet by 4 feet, and hence bought 8 in total for 5 beds. Each is 16 feet in length, and hence I cut 5 of those into 10 8 feet pieces and cut 3 of those into 12 4 feet pieces. You will need about 2 8 feet and 2 4 feet pieces for each bed. Then I bought 3 of these wood for 5 beds for edge support. You have to cut this to a length of 10-inch pieces each. All lumber materials have been collected and ready for cutting. Home Depot or any other hardware stores will cut them for you based on your specifications. This is the machine used for cutting, and the store person helped me to cut the lumber into the required specification. All the wood is cut and ready. Planning, buying and cutting is the most important part in building the bed. Rest of the tasks are very simple. Everything is built and loaded into my minivan. Also bought the cow manure already for the beds. Now is the most easy part of making the bed. It took about 1.5 hours for making all the 5 beds. First, I joined the smaller 10-inch pieces to the 8 feet lumber in the corners for edge support, and then screwed the 4 feet with the 8 feet pieces, and all done. My dad gave me a helping hand in making all the beds. See all the manures which I bought stacked at the side. The first bed is done in no time. Very easy to make the bed. My daughter wanted to give an helping hand too. As I had mentioned before, it took about 1.5 hours to complete all the 5 beds. The beds are now in my backyard waiting for the soil to be filled. Last time we placed cardboards underneath, and this time we are not doing that. We got the soil from the local gardening company, and they came and delivered about 4 cubic yards on my driveway. The 5 vegetable beds need at least 4 cubic yards. We then hired a helper to get the soil onto the beds along with 2 bags of manure for each bed, and the beds are ready for sowing. Now we have about 8 beds in total and excited to grow more vegetables this season. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening videos. Thank you very much.